Hello people, today I wanted to show you how to import materials for 3ds Max PBR shaders, because you can import one, because I got a cycles render engine. They can render the same materials. I created one render. In 2K resolution, as you can see, I imported a PBR texture, but I have to show you how to do that. You can download the free PBR materials from this web page. I'm waiting when this file will be downloaded. I got some texture. This is one of them. I used it with Blender. That texture. Because I also used it with Blender, I got some projects for you to show. But in 3ds Max you can use it as well. This is that material. I think this will look better in a realistic viewport. No, this is not finished. It's not really visible because I didn't rotate sun when I was using Sky preset Nishika. You can see some reflections, and I use the height map, normal map, because we got separate maps. Okay, what we got? Make ambient occlusion map, albedo, color map, height map, metallic map, normal map, roughness. Okay, this map already I downloaded. What we got here? Okay, we got metallic, PNG, height map, ambient occlusion. I know how to connect ambient occlusion in Blender, but I will have to check how to do that in 3ds Max. Roughness. This is what preview of material. Okay, I just wanted to show you quickly. Maybe I will connect in a minute. Layer, wooden layer in the game I can create. I just was thinking about something. Clone a copy. I want to have only one object, because I want to attach objects. Mm, I don't need that. I should be okay with that. I will use less segments, but I will have to get rid of segments here because I want to uh, connect to original polygon because I can later on show you how to assign materials. Actually, I could do that straight away. Okay, we got material editor, get material, cycles, principle BSDF surface. Okay, I call this in my language. Okay, we got a base color map, big map. No, this is not that material. Albedo, which is albedo? But I have to texture this object, unfortunately. UV unwrap. Unfold. Now we have already texture so we can connect different maps. Metallic map. You can always turn this on to have preview. I will render it in a minute. Roughness. Oh, we can see some reflections applied. I wonder how to import ambient occlusion. If this is possible. I will have to go research. Okay, enable normal map. What is to do with? Maybe this is ambient occlusion. Color map. I will check, maybe it should be okay. I think scaling the map is to do with ambient occlusion, I believe, but I will have to double check. Wall. Okay, let's render. I think I have to position my camera in this case to be able to show you. Okay, let's render this because I'm very interested in how this will look like. You may have to wait a couple of minutes because I added more samples to it. Oh, you can see we got some reflections, normal map. Oh, this is what I wanted to look like. Oh, this is what I needed. That map looks as it is supposed to look. Oh, you can see some reflections, and we got fake light as well. So you can do the same in 3ds Max, exactly like in Blender. Or this exactly looks like preview material. I hope you like my video tutorial. Also, I will decrease samples because you can use cycles render in 3ds Max as well. A clamp indirect, clamp direct and indirect. If you scale value, your light will be not strong enough, so I use high value. And I use less samples. So I want to check once again. I wish they have added denoiser. Maybe in next release they will integrate denoiser feature. Because the newest Blender has open image denoiser, but 3ds Max doesn't have yet. Oh, I have to show you. This is what we needed to achieve. Okay, see you guys. I hope you like this video tutorial.